Good morning, students. Today I am taking the class 7 students computer system, the first chapter. So computers. First you must understand what is computer. Computers runs on the set of instructions that is called a program. Computers runs on the set of instructions that is called a program. Computers is a electronic machines, you know very well. Computer runs a set of instructions. It runs on the set of instructions called program, and it is also electronic machines. It is an electronic machines. So computer runs on the set of instructions called programs. It is an electronic machines. It process large amount of data. So 3 points we discuss in the computers. Computers, it runs on the set of instructions called programs. It is an electronic machine and it processes large amount of data. It has integrated with devices like keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor and other peripheral devices. So students, we understand computer. Computers runs on the set of instructions which is known as the programs. It is an electronic machine. It processes a large amount of data and it is integrated with the devices like a keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitors. Now, computers divided mainly into two parts. Computers divided into two components. First is main components and means computers devices are or computers components are divided into two parts. First is main components and peripheral devices. So main components, the components by which computers runs independently. The components, main components, computers runs the devices by which computer runs independently, like CPU, These things. These are the main components: CPU and monitors, and you can say also UPS. These are the main components by which computers runs independently without any help of any peripheral devices. Okay. Now the two components of the computers, the main components and peripheral devices. Peripheral devices, the devices which are attached with the computers. Without peripheral devices, main components can independently run, but peripheral devices are attached with the CPU, which is helps to work to function the computers smoothly. So peripheral devices are attached to the systems by externally, which is attached with the CPU. What are the peripheral devices? We can list it here. Peripheral devices: keyboard, mouse, printer, joysticks, light pen, etc. So whatever devices which are attached to the CPU externally, the devices which are attached with the CPU externally, that is known as the peripheral devices. Okay. So computers components divided into two parts: main components and peripheral devices. Main components are runs independently without help of any peripheral devices, and peripheral devices, the devices which are attached to the CPU to function the computer smoothly, that is the peripheral devices. Peripheral devices: keyboard, mouse, printer, joysticks, light pen, etc. There are number of peripheral devices. Now that was the computer's components. Just we have discussed the computer components, that is the main components and peripheral devices. Now computers divided into two parts. First is computer hardware, and second one is computer software. So computers divided into two parts: computer hardware and computer software.